in today's tutorial. I'm going to choose that hopefully resolve if your Ethernet is not working properly on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be make sure you have a good connection between your computer and the Ethernet port in the wall. So you maybe want to try swapping out the cable and see if that could be a faulty issue with that particular hardware. You may also have an issue with your router, so just try unplugging your router and then plug it back into the wall after about 30 seconds and see if that helps clear up the problem. You can also just try restarting your computer, or if you open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot, go ahead and open up troubleshoot settings, and then view additional troubleshooters on the right side. Underneath get up and running, select internet connections, and then run that troubleshooter here and then see if it's able to identify and resolve any problems that are going on in the background. If not, you can also open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should say command prompt. Right click on it and then run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, and then hit enter on your keyboard again. You will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect, so let's just go ahead and restart it this time. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that's able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.